We have first question, that is a wire of resistance 2 ohm having a length 4000 mm which is having a diameter of 14 mm. We have to calculate the resistivity of this material. In this question we have to see the given data and their appropriate units. Here length is 4000 mm, but length is in meters, so we have to convert it in meter first. So divide it by 1000, we get L is equals to 4 meter. Diameter we have given, that is 14 mm. The radius become 7 mm, but we want area because R is equals to rho L upon A. We want area, that is cross section area. For a wire, cross section area is a circle. For circle area we put area is equals to pi r square. Now put the values, we get pi value is 22 by 7, r is 7, so 7 into 7. After cross multiply we get 154 mm square. Here see the area is in mm square. First we have to convert it into meter. We know that in 1 meter there is 1000 mm, means 10 raised to power 3 mm. So in 1 mm there is 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. In 1 mm square we have 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square. Now put the value. Now area we get, that is 154 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square. Now put all the values in the relation, that is R is equals to rho L upon A. R value is 2 ohm, L value is 4 meter and area value is 154 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. After cross multiply we get the resistivity value is 77 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm meter. Let's see the next numerical. We have a metallic wire of length L and cross section area A. The resistance of wire is R and resistivity is rho. Now we stretch the wire up to the length of double of its length, that is 12. Now we have to calculate the new resistance value. Now first of all understand what we are doing in this numerical. Here we have a wire having length L and cross section area A. We are actually stretching the wire by applying the tensile force, and by applying the force the wire length increases but cross section area on the other side decreases. So we have to calculate what will be the new resistance of the wire. So in order to calculate the wire, first of all understand one thing, that the both wire having different length and cross section area but volume remains same. So we have to equalize the volume, that is volume of new wire is equals to volume of old wire. Now what is the volume of old wire? Old wire volume is nothing but area into length, and new wire is having new area, that is A dash into L. Here L dash is nothing but 2L. So we have get A dash is nothing but A by 2. Now we have to calculate the new resistance, that is R dash. First of all see what is the old resistance. Old resistance is nothing but R is equals to rho L upon A, and new resistance, that is R dash is equals to rho L dash upon A dash. Why I choose only rho? Because material is same, so resistivity is same. Now to put the value of L dash and A dash. Here L dash is equals to 2L and A dash is equals to A by 2. After solving we get R dash is equals to rho L upon A into 4. Now rho L upon A is nothing but R, so we get R dash is equals to 4R. Here it means if we increase the length of the wire up to twice the length, then the resistance of wire becomes 4 times their original value. Now let's calculate the percentage change in the resistance. In order to find the percentage change, first of all see the formula, that is R new minus R old upon R old into 100. Here R new is nothing but 4R and R old is R. So we get 4R minus R upon R into 100, that is 3R upon R. After cancellation we get 3 into 100. So we get 300% increase in the resistance when we stretch the wire up to double of its length.